The UC Personal Insight question number 4. Describe how you have taken advantage of a significant educational opportunity or worked to overcome an educational barrier you have faced. Make sure that when you're answering this question, you're staying within the parameters of the educational experience. With this question, the UCs are asking you to choose either the opportunity or the barrier to talk about. If you choose an educational opportunity, consider the academic programs offered on campus. This could be seen with the STEM program, signing up for transfer preparation programs, participating in research opportunities, international experiences, the honors program, and so forth. After selecting the specific opportunity, reflect on why you chose to pursue it. How did you take advantage of it? And what was the result? What's great about this question is that it also provides you with the chance to discuss any educational barriers you faced. If you feel more comfortable discussing that, definitely choose it instead. With educational barriers, reflect on anything that has impacted your ability to access and success throughout your educational journey. This could be, but not limited to, commuting, a traumatic event, medical challenges, family circumstances, finances, work, and so forth. Whether you choose to discuss the opportunity or the barrier, it's important to not forget about what you learned or how you overcame it. If you're still taking advantage of the opportunity or if you haven't overcome the barrier yet, that's totally fine. Talk about how you're still persevering. Don't forget that if you find that this question doesn't appeal to you or that maybe this isn't a question that you can write about, that's no problem. Don't feel that you're stuck answering this question since there are 6 others to choose from, so take the time to explore your other options. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.